Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. Anybody I teach you about Jesus Christ? All right, so if you answer yes, you are teach anybody else about him? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, you wait pad. Just go on now, click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's second letter to Timothy, chapter 2, from verse 1 to verse 7. So you, Timothy, we come in like me picnic. Make the love where Christ Jesus give, even though we not deserve it. Keep your strong. You see the sitting them where you hear me teach and preach about Jesus Christ in front of enough people. You fit teach it to people where you can trust and we can teach to. Teach it to them so that they can go teach other people. Since you are one of Christ Jesus, good soldier them, you have to go through enough sufferation like the rest of Jesus soldier them. Make sure, say you hold on. Real soldier not bother himself with everyday life. He only business with the army work. Cause he want to make him commander happy. Just like somebody with do sports, you can't win nothing if you don't follow the rule them. And the farmer will work hard should and the first to eat will grow in the field. Think pan and sit here, and God will help you understand the whole of them. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.